Grant has been the grinder king, getting everything ground back smooth again. Looking very good. He's also getting a weld here on the front of the hood, which is now hopefully going to be pretty much solid. I'm just going to have to do one more pass. It's amazing what happens when you get the good weld out. And then over here, I think I want to grind that. Party on, party people. Are we still in grill hell?
Actually, do channel that on both sides.
Can you reach this?
Yeah, it's got duct work and everything. Fancy.
It is like duct work.
It is.
I never saw that.
Fancy in the fender. Look at that.
Wow. It's ram. Ram.
You know. It was 1959.
From the car in front of you.
Exactly.
That's okay. That makes it more fun.
That's probably what you remember those things by the side of your feet you could slide open on the.
Yeah.
The
Cowl
footwell,
ventilators.
yeah,
Yeah. Sucks to the extra.
That's what
The grill didn't come out yet?
No, we're not gonna break it. We're gonna.
So there's
your later cars had the
three
grill. We're gonna do it correctly.
Yeah, so get those out and then we'll straighten it and I'll re-rivet it.
Oh, you can rip it? Okay.
Yeah. That's how the whole body of my car's held on.
So I have an extension. Everybody reach it.
You have to go into here.
You might want to use the cordless on that so it doesn't take
Over here.
7 years.
I feel like you need a deeper socket, so to speak.
Oh, because it's got a stud. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
You don't want a
Yeah,
deep
that was too
socket.
long? Okay. This apron.
Apron's got to come off.
Yeah. That's why the.
2, 3. Get that out of the way. Yeah, apron's got to come off.
What?
This comes
Why
off
you gotta take this off?
because it's separate from here and separate from the fenders.
Straighten on the corner. and
Gotta
it's gotta be
straighten all that
refinished
out.
and argent.
And painted. And
Are we gonna get a new grill, or are we gonna try to
I'm going to attempt to fix.
anodize? Can we re-anodize this thing at home for fun and profit?
Maybe for fun. We can just make one out of Coors
Well,
cans.
that's my thought. Yeah.
Actually, get Coors Light cans. It's the right color already.
Side cans. You have some? Okay. Once we get it off, we'll try it.
Fixing shit. Well, glasses out,
The rubber.
but it said peace out.
Well, we can see what the story is.
Grill is out.
The grill's is shit.
Tom, hold it up. Model with it. Vogue. Strike a pose.
Looks like a big smile.
Does it fit, Peter?
Show your teeth.
Yeah.
No, I think it does.
Oh, it's your grill. It is my grill.
That's awesome.
You push that with your bare feet.
See the little bit of
So I noticed, like,
Damn, Chuck.
thanks, Chuck. What?
That was a little loud in his ear.
I just threw some
Stop.
Shit back in the pile back here? What?
Ew.
Well,
The mirror.
been some pretty serious ones.
Ooh. Ooh.
I'm surprised how
Hey, it's in one piece.
Yep.
well.
Hey,
this
Tom,
is a
Remember when I handed you the razor blades?
Yeah?
He's got the mirror.
Oh, okay.
It's a California car. You know, and the irony of this is, guys, this was a parts car for a retractable. So this was originally, somebody stripped this car to build a retractable. And now here we are, fast forward probably 25 years, 30 years later, we're turning this into a car again. And that's kind of neat.
It is kind of.
Rescuing.
This, and this is a very solid example, and it's worth salvaging because it's a two-door hardtop Galaxie roof car. You know, the square roof, reminiscent square roofs. This is a good. It's it really is a good project for us because it's not complex.
No, it's not complex. It's an attractive car, an unusual powertrain configuration.
Which will be even more unusual with the turbocharger.
Yes!
But we're going to have to start to think about high dollar items like the interior fabric, the headliner. Now we got to get a windshield,
You know
the
what, the
trim
headliner-
pieces. We've got several $1,000s just in those bits. Now, we've done a lot of good work, and a lot of the suspension and driveline pieces are going to be inexpensive. We're going to find that when we get to the cosmetics, that's where the bill really starts to climb.
Yep.
Yes.
And that's why if you're looking for a car, you want to find one that is complete and doesn't need a lot of those things. You know, the biggest turnoff for me now that I'm in California and every car usually has a pretty good body is a really ratty interior. This interior is really ratty. It's seen better days. But you know, that's okay. We will figure it out.
We can do it.
We'll do that.
You want to try and go original?
Absolutely.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
I know there's vendors for a
SMS.
lot of these pieces. And some of us that had experience in working with vendors providers.
I don't know if that just pushes out.